Okay, today we're going to check out this new foreclosure property. This one looks like a real dog. It looks like it's going to be a major fixer-upper, which is, good for our market. We need plenty of those properties for sure right now. But I just got this property. I haven't been here yet. This is the very first time. We're going to walk around. We're going to check to see if anyone's living here. And if so, hopefully talk to them. If not, just see if we're able to get in the property and check it out and see what we're dealing with here. So this is the initial step of the foreclosure. Check occupancy and see what's kind of going on with the property. So let's walk around and check it out. And we have access to get in. So first off, you can see that this roof is totally shot. I imagine we're going to see water stains on the inside, but who knows? But that roof, it's been so long that the tarps even come off. I mean, that's just not good. Okay, so I'm assuming no one's living here. Now, I don't know that for sure. I know this ain't the greatest area of town. That doesn't look good. This is an all brick house, soft grade. It does have central heat and air. I mean, that's kind of shocking. Okay, so see, it has been rekeyed before. And this is exactly what the servicers will do. They'll generally rekey the one door, generally the back. They'll never rekey the whole thing before they take it back through foreclosure. But if they deem the property has been vacant or abandoned, they do have the right to secure the property, and that's what you'll see. Just like this one, they've rekeyed the back door. But it looks like you could probably blow on that thing and it would fall over. But anyway, the other door's open, so we'll walk back around there. I don't know what in the heck that is, but it looks like a dilapidated liability about to fall down. It's a concrete block, but yeah, that thing looks old and crappy. Now, where this property is located is it's actually, a really pretty decent area, very convenient for Pensacola. You're really close to Interstate 10. Access is probably less than 2 miles away. So the location is really convenient. The house looks pretty bad, except for being brick and having newer windows, it looks like. Hello? Well, the house definitely looks abandoned. Doesn't look like we got any squatters. Oh. Oh man, so this is where this really sucks. So the deal is, this property is not occupied, but it has personal belongings left behind. Now, I'm sure you're like me saying, well, there's a whole bunch of junk, and yes, there is. But all we're looking for is anywhere from $300 to $500 worth of yard sale value. If myself or the corporate seller feels like there is at least $300 to $500 worth of yard sale value left behind, then they will do a personal property eviction just to CYA and cover everyone. Now, when that happens, all that does is add probably another month to the process. So instead of being able to get this property marketed quickly and get it on the market, get it sold. All right, let's see this back room. There's some of your water damage from this horrible roof. Yeah, you got mold there. You got some soft spots in these floors. I mean, a lot of this, it is total junk, so there's no value, but the AC unit doesn't look all that bad. But you've got this dining room table here, these couple of chairs. I mean, maybe a couple $100. It's close. I'll let the bank make this call, so I'll get them pictures and let them decide if they want to go ahead and have it trashed out or if they want to do a personal property eviction. Yeah, this is going to be more or less just about a total gut job. This house is going to need everything. I mean, the only good thing so far is that the house is brick. It does have an HVAC system, which worst case scenario means at least you have all the duct work, so you wouldn't have to mess with that. And it does have double pane vinyl windows, so it does have a couple decent features. The lot's not bad. It's fenced. It's at the end of a little street, so you don't have any through traffic. Just a big project. Fixer-upper here. Okay, so I'll walk through it one more time, get my bearings. We've got like a formal dining room area. We got a living room. Got one bedroom. We got 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, and I think 1 full bath, but I can't see because it's dark and I don't have a flashlight. Yeah, I definitely don't think there's $500 worth of value here. I think most of this stuff's all complete junk. I mean, that furniture right there is trash. So this bedroom has a fireplace, which is kind of interesting, and a lot more ceiling damage right there. So yeah, it's going to need a good bit of sheetrock work. But it's all about the price, and we'll see. You never know. It's bank owned. A lot of times, what I like to gripe about, they like to list them high and test the market, or list them higher because they're going to get some crazy second opinion value that's just going to skyrocket everything. But this house needs a lot of work. I mean, it's classifies to me as a POS. So wait a minute. Okay, so this is just like the utility room. That's not a bathroom. What is this? That's another utility storage room. So this is like a back mud room type deal. And here's your kitchen. I'll make sure there's not 2 bathrooms in this house, but I don't see but one. That one right there. Okay, so check this out. There's a current hole right there. Man. Oh man, there is a second bathroom. Alright, good. So this is a 3-2. I mean, it's not bad size. But man, it's going to need a good bit of work. Man, it is nasty. Oof. Alright, well that's it. This place smells. I want to get out of here. Figure out what kind of price realistically this thing's even worth. I don't think it's all that much, but you know, everything has potential. Just all depends on what the bank does. Alright, I'll come out and I'll do another video once the trash out crews get this thing cleaned up. It almost looks like that chimney's got a little tilt to it. I don't know if it's my eyes or what, but maybe not, but it kind of looks like it. Oh. Okay, that's it. New foreclosure. No telling what they're going to do. If they're going to do a personal property eviction or if they'll just trash it out and get it marketed. We'll see. Let them make that decision because they will be the ones that will be sued.